Hey guys, it's Megan and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited you're here because today's video is one I think you're gonna be super pumped about. This is a packing and review video for the brand new spring print called Botanical, shown here on the Boxy backpack by Petunia Picklebottom. There it is. It's so cute. Isn't it so pretty with the neutral background and the beautiful floral and kind of like fern design going on? I love it. I think it's so pretty. I'm gonna start off this video by walking you around the different ways you can carry this bag, and then the next part of the video is going to show you what you can pack inside. Okay, as you can see up here, there is a grab handle. We're all about the grab handle here. We love it because it's easy to literally grab and go when it's in the front seat of your car or whatever. There is also an adjustable messenger strap here at the top. Now I love this strap because it is really comfortable to carry underneath my arm and has the matching rose gold hardware to the front of the bag. Just super pretty. And then on the back here you can see that there are backpack straps. These are padded and adjustable to make it as comfortable as possible for you to carry. And if you don't want to carry the bag, there are also D-rings, one here and one here, to attach this bag to your stroller. It does come with stroller straps when you buy the bag, so you don't have to go out and buy something extra, so that's so nice. Now that we've covered the different ways to carry it, I'm going to tilt the camera down and show you how I have it packed up inside. Now that I have this bag down here on the floor, I wanted to give you a really good look at the beautiful pattern that is on this bag. Botanical is so lovely. And we're going to now start with the exterior pockets. This here on the side is a really good size bottle pocket. This is a large Munchkin 360 cup. You can see it really is a good, nice size. And these are insulated bottle pockets, and it fits in there no problem. Around to the other side of the bag, you can see here along the back, there is a zipper pocket, perfect for your phone, because the pocket is in fact fleece lined, which is so nice. And then I'm not currently keeping anything in this other bottle pocket, but it is insulated as well. Okay, moving around to the front of the bag, I've already shown you the flap. Now, if you are not as familiar, it does have two snaps, and then the attachment snap is right here on the front, meaning if you need a little bit of extra room, you can kind of set it up so that the snap is a little bit higher there if you need the room underneath, or you can do the second snap down a little bit lower, or so many options. You can do like I do and simply basically use the magnets that are there because they're really strong and just really easy to use. This is what this bag is so famous for, the zip down changing pad pocket. So this does fold out again, so it's a good size, and then you can see here I have pull-ups and diapers and then wipes here on the other side. And then if you don't need this, like I'm not changing diapers on the go as frequently anymore, you can simply remove the changing pad altogether and continue to use the pocket without unzipping the bag at all, which is what I like to do, because I can just reach in for my wipes and go. And just so you know, it does feature a double zipper pull, which is so nice. And now this is how I'm organizing the interior of the bag. Here along the back wall is a key fob, and then underneath that key fob is a zipper pocket. And in here I just have some miscellaneous essentials. This is this little sticker pack with the cutest Toy Story stickers in it, and then a hand sanitizer. Next, I'm gonna start with what I'm keeping in the middle compartment of the bag before we get to the pockets. So here, just kind of standing up, is this pouch that I use as my on-the-go wallet. And then next to that, I just had my son's little Wubba. He loves this thing so much. And then next up, I'm using one of my all-time favorite packing pouches. This comes with the intermix system, also by Petunia Picklebottom, and it is a mini cooler, meaning I keep all of our snacks right inside. So that is what I was keeping in this middle compartment. I would say it was half full, so you could definitely throw in more items as you need. We turn the bag so that the back is here. In this pocket, I'm keeping just a little change of clothes. There is a slip pocket next to it, which I wasn't using. And then if you can see inside, this is an elasticized pocket back there. And in here, I'm just keeping a little toy for my youngest or my middle or whoever is crying the most at that moment. And our last item inside the bag is also an elasticized pocket on the other side. This insanely cute little pouch the bag came with. It can attach to either your keys or to the key fob inside the bag. And this is where I'm just keeping some mommy essentials. I really need to throw another lip gloss in here, but for now, this Rosebud Salve I love so much, and a little mascara. And with that, the bag is empty, and that is everything I've been keeping in the Petunia Picklebottom Boxy backpack. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. This bag is totally gorgeous. And like I said, the print is brand new for spring and limited edition. You can shop it via the link in my description box, which is down below next to the subscribe button. So make sure you hit that and be sure to follow me on Instagram at Megan Kingsford so you can see more about this bag and all the others I showcase here on my channel, more about my life, all that good stuff. I hope to see you guys over there and back here on my channel super soon. Bye!